Hi, Alex here, your craft beer super fan. As you can see, it's a beautiful fall day in Fredericton, so the city asked me to drop by the local breweries that are making brews specifically for the season. First off, we're at Graystone Brewing downtown to try the United Hops Harvest IPA. The really cool thing about this beer is that it's made with tons of hops that locals have donated. The proceeds from the sales of this beer go towards United Way. It's earthy, it's got some notes of grapefruit, some great hop bitterness and flavors coming through. I'm here at Picaroons on Fredericton's north side to try their Oktoberfest ale, which is traditionally a German style. This one is called the Umpapa. It's a Marzen technically, which is like a Bavarian take on a lager or amber ale. It's crisp, it's bready, and it's got a hint of sweetness to it. What's more season appropriate than a pumpkin ale? I'm at Gahan Riverside in Fredericton's downtown to try their take on the style, and it was brewed with brown sugar and pumpkin pie spices. It is spicy, it's sweet, but not a sugar bomb because it's balanced really well with the bitterness from the hops. I would definitely recommend this one. I'm here with Paul Maybee, the owner of Maybee Brewing. Paul, can you tell us a bit about the new fall ale release here?
It's a honey saison made with local honey from Pollen Angels here in Fredericton. It's something with a little bit more body moving into the fall, and you're tasting some New Brunswick hops, some local Fredericton honey.
Awesome, cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
All right, we're at Red Rover Cider House downtown to try the fall cider. It's got notes of cinnamon, allspice, and cloves. It's semi-dry, tastes like apple pie. It's available all year, but it really shines in the fall. So now I'm at the Joyce Pub downtown to try Niche Brewing's latest beer. Niche Brewing is one of Fredericton's newest breweries, and they don't actually have a tap room yet. You can order their beers on tap at places like the Joyce or other spots around town. This one is pretty funky. It's called Constellation, and it's a dark sour saison with blackcurrant puree added to the beer. There's also Brettanomyces or Brett added in here. Brett is a type of wild yeast that adds some funkiness to the flavor. Our last stop is Grimross Brewing, and I'm here with Blake Menzies, who's the brewer here, who we finally convinced to break his vow of silence to tell us a bit about their fall beer. Can you tell us about it, Blake?
So this is the Maritime Black IPA. It is a dark hoppy ale at 6.2%. It's got some notes of chocolate and citrus, and it's pretty tasty.
Nice, it looks like the perfect beer to have on Halloween night.
We're actually canning it right now, so we can go take a look.
Oh cool, let's go check it out. No matter the season, Fredericton breweries are always pumping out specialty or seasonal batches, so make sure to drop by to check out what's new. Also, check out the description below this video for a blog post about these brews. As always, if you see me at a tap room, come say hi and let's talk beer.